Studying the Book of Mormon will change you. It will change your family. As you read the Book of Mormon, consider recording and sharing with others how these promises are fulfilled in your life. Latter-day Prophets have made promises about the power of the Book of Mormon since the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints was restored. Ponder the following statements and review them regularly. The Prophet Joseph Smith, quote, "I told the brethren that the Book of Mormon was the most correct of any book on earth, and the keystone of our religion. And a man could get nearer to God by abiding by its precepts than by any other book." End quote. From Teachings of the Presidents of the Church, Joseph Smith, page 64. President Ezra Taft Benson, quote, "It is not just that the Book of Mormon teaches us truth, though it indeed does that. It is not just that the Book of Mormon bears testimony of Christ, though it indeed does that too. But there is something more. There is a power in the book which will begin to flow into your lives the moment you begin a serious study of the book. You will find greater power to resist temptation. You will find the power to avoid deception. You will find the power to stay on the straight and narrow path. The Scriptures are called the words of life. See Doctrine and Covenants, section 84, verse 85. And nowhere is that more true than it is of the Book of Mormon. When you begin to hunger and thirst after those words, you will find life in greater and greater abundance." End quote. From Teachings of Presidents of the Church, Ezra Taft Benson, page 141. President Gordon B. Hinckley, quote, "Brothers and sisters, without reservation I promise you that if you will prayerfully read the Book of Mormon, regardless of how many times you previously have read it, there will come into your hearts an added measure of the Spirit of the Lord. There will come a strengthened resolution to walk in obedience to His commandments, and there will come a stronger testimony of the living reality of the Son of God." End quote. From Teachings of Presidents of the Church, Gordon B. Hinckley, page 233. President Russell M. Nelson, quote, "My dear brothers and sisters, I promise that as you prayerfully study the Book of Mormon every day, you will make better decisions every day. I promise that as you ponder what you study, the windows of heaven will open, and you will receive answers to your own questions and direction for your own life. I promise that as you daily immerse yourself in the Book of Mormon, you can be immunized against the evils of the day, even the gripping plague of pornography and other mind-numbing addictions." End quote. From the Book of Mormon, What Would Your Life Be Like Without It? Ensign or Liahona, November 2017. Which of these blessings would you like to receive?